couple of days ago, Punjab and Haryana High Court had ordered the Haryana government to open the barricades, lift the barricades and the blockades so that the passage could be opened, the highway, the Shambu border could be opened for the commuters, as the commuters are facing a lot of problems, a lot of torrid times, as the road is closed since February 13 because the farmers wanted to go to Delhi, but the Haryana police laid barricades on the Shambu border which dissects Punjab and Haryana. But now the Supreme Court has also asked the Haryana government categorically to lift the barricades and blockades so that the commuters don't face any hassle. We have with us Advocate Vasuranjan Shandalia, who basically filed a petition in this regard. Sir, you filed a petition in this regard. Firstly, Punjab and Haryana High Court told the Haryana government to open the blockades and barricades. Now, Supreme Court has also said the same thing.
Yes, on 10th of July, High Court ordered to open Shambu border, but it's very unfortunate that Haryana government has filed and challenged the order of 10 July of Punjab Haryana High Court. It's very unfortunate that, and Supreme Court today asked that lawyer who is representing the state that you travel from road only now. Then how you will travel if traffic will be closed, if NH will be closed, then how will you travel? Then I welcome the judgment and order by the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court also told Haryana government that they should file an affidavit in this case, and why in which capacity they have closed the border from last 5 months. I welcome the verdict by the Supreme Court, and I will also go in Supreme Court in this matter, and I'll plea from the sides of businessmen and street vendors and all persons who are facing a lot of trouble from last 5 months, and I'm basically from Ambala, and I have filed this PIL on the representation of Ambala's people who are facing problems from last 5 months. Ambala is going towards starvation, and who is there to stop us? And farmers are on the right side, but they are saying that we have not closed the borders because Haryana government has closed the borders, and as per the statements of Mr. Pandher and Mr. Dallewal, the border has been closed by state government, and now they have challenged. It's very unfortunate. Haryana government has told in all over India that border has been closed by the state government only. I don't know the real effects what Haryana government has told and written in that case, but I will go through all the things, and I will also argue in the matter in Supreme Court soon. And after that, I am very much thankful that Supreme Court has taken action in this, and they have asked tough question to Haryana government that in which capacity they have closed the Shambu border, and we will not again allow the state to close the Shambu border. And today also, regarding Khanori border also, I have argued in the matter in High Court, and High Court told me that we will soon open Khanori border also.
But today we went to the spot also, since the highway is closed. People are having a very difficult time, very torrid time to cross the borders from Punjab to Haryana, Haryana to Punjab. How you see that pain of people?
Ambala is in a very painful condition from last 5 months. People can die also by crossing the Shambu barrier because the road is not clear. They are crossing through Ghaggar river. And today I have also requested the High Court that they should see all the videos which I have shown to High Court also. And I have requested to make guidelines on this, that no one should make the jam and close the national highways. And High Court told me that we will listen you at length on 7th of July. And after that, I will also argue this all things, and I will also file PIL in Supreme Court regarding making the guidelines on this, so that there should be nothing on national highways. If farmers want to protest, they should go to Jantar Mantar. If Kisaner want to protest, they should go to Andolan ground. From Delhi, big decisions has been made by the people. But Anna Hazare, he is the one who makes the big decision from Andolan ground. But to close the national highway, to jam the national highway, it is not the good thing. It is very painful for general public. There is the businessmen of Ambala not giving any salaries to the people who are working there. The lot of problem is creating in Ambala. I request farmers that they should leave the road, and I also request Haryana government to open the borders, and don't challenge this order in Supreme Court, and don't get unfortunate remarks from Supreme Court also.
So you listen to him, that he's welcomed the Supreme Court order which has said that the Haryana government must lift the barricades and the blockades so that the commuters are smoothly moving on the highway. They can smoothly move on the highway and not take alternative routes and face such difficulties. So since February 13, when the farmers wanted to go to Delhi, the Haryana police stopped them, put them barricades, and stopped the highway. So now with Supreme Court jumping in, I think it is hopeful now that the highway will open. In Chandigarh with camera person Gunjit, this is Aseem Basi, India Today.